Okay, 126 points lower is what we've got on the Nifty, 10,655 at this point in time. The management at Manappuram is now joining in to take some questions. We've got Mr. VP Nandakumar, Managing Director and CEO of the company of Manappuram General Finance, joining us right now. Thanks very much, sir. Appreciate you joining in. So let's just talk about the disbursement picture, because many NBFCs have reported big declines in disbursements in the third quarter. What's happening in Manappuram? Could you give us a sense?
Q3, the dispersals are picking up. The Q3, we have grown more than 4% in the consolidated portfolio.
Okay, so what has been the incremental cost of funds compared to your average cost?
Yeah, we have seen an increase by around 80 points.
Okay. Loan growth has been increasing in the last 3-4 quarters. How do you see growth ahead, and what's your portfolio mix for FY20?
Last quarter, around 32% was non-gold portfolio, and 68% was gold portfolio. Towards the end of this last quarter, probably the gold portfolio will be down by another 2%. This is what we expect.
Could you tell us what percentage of the book would you like to bring down your gold portfolio to over the next couple of quarters?
Overall idea is the reduce the concentration risk in one business, one portfolio. So what we believe ideal for a company like us is to cap our gold loan portfolio at 50% over a period of time. It may not be possible in 9 quarters, maybe in a period of 5 years, may be possible.
All right, Mr. Nandakumar, thanks very much, sir, for joining in. We'll touch base with you in a bit. Actually, it's the markets that demand our attention now, because the Sensex now is down about 400 odd points. And look at some of the culprits there. It's NBFCs, all the way to the top. 3 stocks which have actually lost the most this hour are the Bajaj Fin twins, as well as Indiabulls Housing Finance. In fact, look at the chart of Bajaj Fin itself. In just this hour, it's lost about 6 odd percent. It's sitting with a cut now of about 9% odd, and it's seen a very, very sharp fall lower. Other than that, it's the Adani group of stocks as well. There's been some sort of recovery over there, but Adani Port still continues to trend about 9% lower. In terms of, outside of the index, again, it's Manappuram, PTC, these are all the stocks which are taking the brunt right now. And some of the other stocks which are contributing significantly, again, DHFL remains a big casualty today as well, down about 10 odd percent over there. L&T Fin is another one. So this whole NBFC theme and the sort of concerns over there continue to take center stage even now. The mid-cap index has extended its losses. It's now down close to about 400 points. The Nifty Bank has lost about 500 odd. So that's about a nearly 2% cut over there as well. The Nifty at the moment sitting with a 130-point cut.
As you mentioned, Bajaj Finance, it's 8.5%. So that's a really big one.
And a lot of it has actually come in just the last 15-20 minutes odd.
Yeah, there you go. Actually, why don't we put out these names? L&T Finance will come up 125 nearly. That's a 7.25% cut. Edelweiss is down 6.5%. That's at 148. Shriram Transport at under 1,050, 6%, 6.25% lower. Muthoot Finance is down 5%. That'll come up 507. Reliance Capital is down 5.25%, 198. Muthoot Capital, the other one, 864. Stocks down about 4.7 odd percent. There's Shrey Infrastructure, which is down 4%. Manappuram is down about 4.25%. Bharat Finance 3.5% lower. M&M Finance is down almost 3.5%. Magma is down 3%. So, I mean, Shriram City down about 2.5%. I mean, there's enough and more which is selling off, and how. We will take a very quick break here. We're out of time. So from Sumaira, me, everyone, thanks very much for staying with us. There's more coming up on your stocks on the other side.